Hey, guys! I am Mr. Snowman. I am the coolest snowman you have ever met. I can wear these glasses. And those glasses as well. Do you know what else my nose can look like? I can have a bucket on my head. I can wear different hats and scarves. Oh, I even have mittens. I can actually pretend I am Santa. I can wear headphones. I can even dance with them. I have a helmet. And a coat. This way I look like an army officer. I can exercise and walk. And the best thing about me is that you can get me for free. Just visit animationguides.com. And I will be there, waiting. Don't forget to follow Animation Guides for more cool puppets and illustrations.
Thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.